In my opinion, the best mouse that I have ever had or even used, I now have the wireless version of it. Believe it or not, lighter, better quality, and wireless. Let's take a look at the G502 Lightspeed. Make sure you watch the video to the end so you can see how you can win one for yourself. The beautiful people at Logitech not only sent one to me, but also said, hey, give one away to your community. You guys already know, I've been using the G502 for years, like literally years. And it's been my go-to mouse for everything, literally everything. Editing and general use. This mouse has looked after me for ages. And as most of you may know, either from watching my live streams or just by interacting with my social media, you guys actually know that I've recommended this mouse to a lot of different people. And I know that a lot of you guys have got it. I do just need to let everyone know that all the thoughts and opinions in this video are my own and they're not being swayed in any way, shape or form. Before we dive a little bit deeper though, I got a little bit of unboxing ASMR for you guys because I know you guys are keen on that kind of stuff. Let's go. Between the two, the G502 Lightspeed is a more up-to-date, improved version of its predecessor, keeping the same classic shape with the dimensions being pretty much identical, while adding new, useful additions to the mouse that the G502 fans will love. New additions that actually can help. This is a perfect example of not changing something if it isn't broken, more so improving it. It houses the same awesome 25K hero sensor by Logitech with a DPI of up to 25.6 thousand. It comes with a braided cable with micro USB connectivity to charge when it's low. I've had it for a few weeks now and I probably had to charge it maybe 2 or 3 times. That's with daily general use. Also, if you use a PowerPlay wireless mousepad, it's compatible with the new G502 to keep you going without having to plug it in, which is pretty dope. Now the ultimate question for those who either have a G502 already or just looking for a new mouse, should you upgrade? In short, yes. Believe it or not, one of the first things I noticed with this mouse here is that it's noticeably lighter. The G502 Lightspeed still includes the weights that the previous models have, but even though the Logitech have made the mouse wireless, it is still even lighter than what it once was, with the wired version being 121 grams, the lights being 114. I also not only use the Pro Wireless, but I also use the Super Light as well. Here's how they stack up against those two for comparison. Even though it still has the same classic shape as the wired version, here are a few improvements. Updated hyperfast scroll wheel, rubberized, it's hollow. Updated switches on the mouse itself, which has a new mechanical button tensioning system. Lasts heaps longer, feels a lot better. A slight change, but you can not only control the normal regular part of the RGB on the mouse, but also another zone, or what they call a 2-zone RGB on the mouse, whereas the wired version you can only control one. As we were talking about it before, PowerPlay, keep you going without even having to plug it in or charge it. But I think it's really good that Logitech have let the G502 keep its legacy with its shape and its feel. In my opinion, it's 100% an improvement and definitely what I'll be recommending to not only people that have either used a G502 in the past and that are already fans, or people just looking for a mouse that's an all-rounder that can pretty much do anything, any task that you throw at it. If you've used a G502 in the past before, or if you're just looking for a new daily driver, this is definitely a mouse to at least check out. Although it's been out in the market for a few years now, it still keeps up with a lot of mouse in this category. Currently retails for around about $200 in most Australian retails and electronic stores. Oh, and like I said at the the start of this video. If you want to win one for yourself, thanks again to Logitech G ANZ. Head over to my TikTok video. I'll put a link in the description. Check out on that video how you can actually win one, because that's pretty much where I'm going to be doing the giveaway. If you would like to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. Also, doing things like liking this video as well as subscribing to the channel helps me out so much, and it's free. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.